Booking.com lets you sell add-on services along with the stay, and the setup is quite easy. So if you're not familiar with the setup, this is how you can do it. Once you're logged into Booking.com Extranet and you have your property open, just click on the rates and availability option, and then you need to choose value adds. And if you haven't added value added services yet, you will see a screen like this, and then click on create value adds here. And this is where you can choose the extra services you would like to offer. It includes things like parking, airport transfer, wine, champagne, early check-in, late checkout, spa, massage, and things like that. You can choose the ones which you want to offer. Let's say I want to offer a parking, and then it lets you choose whether it is self-parking and all that. So every time you choose an option, it will give you additional options if there are any variables under that. And once you've chosen all the services which you want to offer, you can give it a custom name. For example, I will give it like free parking and airport transfer, and then click on continue. I forgot to choose an earliest check-in time for this plan. I will choose 7 o'clock, click on continue, and on the following page, it lets you create a new plan, and this is what Booking.com recommends. Or if you want to offer these services under an existing rate plan, this is where you can set that up. You will set your price and choose the rate plan which you want to implement this on. However, Booking.com recommends the first option, which is you can define your price, you can choose a new rate plan and apply it to the property. So let's say I want to charge £10 per day for this rate plan, and I will give it a name and then click on continue. And on the following screen, just review everything. If you're happy, just click on save. And when everything works out, this is how you will see the value added, and you can add as many as you want. If you want to alter any of those, you can just go onto this pencil icon and click on edit, and that's where you can alter all these settings if you want to add something or change the plan or change the price and things like that. And that brings me to the end of this video. I really hope you find this video useful. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.